Everybody should listen carefully.
God has
told the prophet that because our president he used the name of God and planned to build a cathedral for God. For God, he mentioned the name of God and he didn't do it. And Ghana's money has been gone. God says the prophet should tell His Excellency that money should take it back. Wherever it has gotten, the pastor that some of this money they didn't build a cathedral for God. God has spoken to the prophet that the president-elect should take the money back. If they can't take it back, the representatives of God on earth, as God has spoken to the prophet, the prophet can take the money back. He will use a signet from God, a word from God, and pursue them. He will show us where the money is. That is power talking. They use the name of God and stolen from the country $400 million. The pit they dug
$48 million in what? $58 million.
Yes. This studio we can't pack the money for it. Where are the money? The leaders of the country, where is this money? Why have you taken the money from the nation? And the property you're supposed to use for you. Why do you take the money from the nation? The nation coffers. The nation's coffers. And brought debt upon them. Just a single block you couldn't lay it. God will ask. Whoever thinks let him take it. Lest he fall. Let one he take it. Let him take it. Lest he fall. The other time you went to and bury someone. The same way God said the prophet it is waiting for. You will disrespect all people. But when you disrespect God, it's like you touching something you're not supposed to touch.